Hi guys, in front of me is NOKIA G60 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select wallpaper and style, and here pick change wallpaper. And now you can pick one from the following albums, so it can be live album, earth panel, art, cityscapes, geometric shapes, solid colors, seascapes, wallpapers, on-device wallpapers, landscapes or textures. Let me choose seascapes. And here you've got all the options that you can apply. Let me choose, for example, this one. Then tap on lock screen so you can see how it looks like. Tap on confirmation mark to apply it, and then select if it's just for your lock screen or for both lock and home screens. And I choose both. And this is it. So as you can see, brand new wallpapers covering my home and also the lock screen. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.